Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see the full unboxing and the working of this Godrej branded 1.5 ton 4-star split inverter AC. The specific model is EC HIC 18J4TG WA. This is white color as this is the open box. The delivery guys from the Flipkart only opened the box and showed me whether there are any damages or something like that. So they have shown me all the components. I'll discuss about the components. Between these are the Marque AC, Onida AC, see here Onida AC, and also the Daikin AC, which I did the unboxing and the full review videos. Just find it in the description. All the ACs are 30,000 below, so the people who are looking for budget ACs, you can just find them in the description below. Okay, and here this is the compressor unit and the main unit, AC unit I received. This is the main unit, indoor unit, that is the outdoor unit. And coming to the looks, this is looking semi premium. I won't say this is completely premium, but the look is decently good, very good. This is in white color, looking semi premium, and this is the ISSR values for energy efficiency, means the power bills. It is mentioned like 728 watts per year they mention. Anyway, I need to check that. Once I use it for at least 1 to 2 months, then I'll upload a video on that electricity bill. Okay, and these are the pipes, the gas pipes, and the back side, the clamps, the screws, and everything were provided, except there were no batteries provided in the remote. In the remote there were no batteries, just remember this. And we need to purchase one power socket. Okay, power socket in the sense, for any AC that won't be provided. Okay, in the package, that won't be provided. See here also the same, the model number, power saving guide, the 4-star rating, C HIC 18J4 as the model number I already mentioned. Like, first of all, this is 2026 model, the recent model, so that it would be somewhat energy efficient. And it is also mentioned that the gas used in this particular AC is R32. Okay, R32 sort of AC, so which would be best. And this is split inverter. See here, this we need to purchase one power socket or cable socket, we need to say. Yeah, that would be around 70 to 80 rupees in the electrical shop.
Just now the installation has been completed, so the installation is totally completed. The technician also explained about the features in the remote. First of all, have a close look about the remote. There is a Godrej branding here, and timer, display, vertical swing is fan, and iSense, which uh, it it can detect the temperature in the room and work accordingly. So this is auto mode. This is turbo mode, which is like instant cooling. When you enter into the very hot room in the hot weather, if you want cooling within a flash, then you can use this turbo. Then this is sleep in the sense, just like before you sleep, if you press this option, maybe automatically during the early mornings the temperature will manage automatically. Means at the morning it will automatically switch off or increase the temperature. And this is 5 in 1 convertible, means you can decrease the capacity of the AC. And this is the power off button. Let me first power on. See, there is a small sound, right? If you observe, for every on and off. So now I turned off, right? So there is a small ringtone sort of thing. Now it is in 30. These are the temperature increase and temperature decrease. You can see it is now in the 30. Okay, and this is the fan speed, you can say. See here, you can increase the fan speed, 3 fan speeds actually. This is high speed. Okay, I can feel that high speed. So I will be taking this to the close look of the AC. Yeah, you can see. And this is the model. This is a 4-star AC. Okay, so this is a medium size room, and I'll also share you my experience how is this AC for the initial first impressions. So, and let me explain this one also. This is the modes. Humidity mode means, for dry air mode, this has the option of dry air mode, so very valuable, especially for the coastal areas. If you're using this AC, this is one of the best mode, means the people which has higher humidity, at that case this will be more useful and less electricity consumption if you keep this in this mode. This is only fan speed mode. This is hot mode. Okay, you can see some sunlight thing, auto. Okay, auto. And this is the cooling mode. Wherever you see this snowflake one, right, this is auto mode. And now it is in 25. I can just decrease it to 16 and tell you once. Okay, this is the display. Okay, see, now the display is completely turned off. This is one of the excellent features, means at the night time if you want complete darkness, let me switch off the light once. See, there is, I'll click the display here. See, I'll turn off the display. So at night times, many people wants complete darkness in the room. For such people, this is an excellent option. Display turning off option. This is also there in this Godrej. First of all, I got this for 32,000 actually. With the card offer, you can get for 29,000, but I got this for 32,000, and this is 4-star AC. And coming to my user experience, when I turn on the AC, within the flash the room is getting cooled up. Okay, that is the thing what I have observed initially. And comfort is very good. We can off the display, there are number of modes you can use. And the room chilling, it is taking like, to get completely chilled, it is taking like 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, I tested this, actually practical I tested it. And even if I keep it to like 24, the ideal temperature what the companies mention for better electricity bills and less power consumption, you can keep to 24. And once I use this for 30 days, once I receive the electricity bill, I'll tell you, give you an update, not exactly the review, but tell you the energy consumption of this Godrej split inverter AC of 4-star. Okay, the model number is displayed on the screen. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. And for the room is uh, like 150, means 150 square feet you can say. For that room, this AC 1.5 ton Godrej inverter AC of 4-star is doing excellent work. And coming to the overall review and user experience, within a month I'll be posting. If you do have any other questions, now you can ask in the comments. Yeah, I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Okay, one thing I missed, there is no display light here. Nowhere there is no display light. That thing you need to remember. Okay, this would be good in the daytimes, but in the night times it is better if it has some display light. And see here, if there is power cut, the window won't close. See, now what I did is I switched off the power from the button here. Okay, from the button, that's the reason. So assume this as the power off. So this door is not at all closing. I felt it would be better if it is automatically closes whenever there is power off. That is one thing I don't like in this AC.